The rumors are getting louder, and for once they're not just coming from internet forums or speculative renders. Insiders, supplier leaks, and industry analysts are all pointing toward a major shift for the next generation Ford Mustang GT arriving around 2027. At the center of it all is one controversial question. Is Ford about to replace the legendary Coyote V8? For over a decade, the Ford Coyote V8 has defined what a modern American performance engine should be. High revving, naturally aspirated, durable, and surprisingly efficient. But as emissions rules tighten and electrification looms, even icons aren't safe. What's coming next isn't just an update. It could be a complete reinvention of the Mustang's identity, the legacy of the Coyote, why it matters so much. Before diving into the 2027 leak, you need to understand what's at stake. The Coyote engine, introduced in 2011, was Ford's answer to evolving performance demands. It wasn't just about raw power, it was about balance. Over the years, it evolved into a highly refined platform featuring dual overhead cams, DOHC, variable valve timing, high revving capability, 7,000 plus RPM, strong aftermarket support, and proven reliability under stress. By the time we reached the latest generation Mustang, the Coyote was producing 480 to 500 plus horsepower in stock form, with tuners easily pushing it far beyond that. Industry experts often describe the Coyote as the last true modern, naturally aspirated American V8 that blends old-school character with modern engineering. That's exactly why replacing it is such a big deal. The 2027 leak, what we know so far. Multiple sources suggest that Ford is working on an all-new 5.0 engine architecture, but it won't be a simple evolution of the current Coyote. Instead, this new power plant is rumored to feature one hybrid-assisted V8 technology. Ford is reportedly integrating electric assist systems directly into the drivetrain. This could mean instant torque fill at low RPM, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions output. Unlike full EVs, this setup preserves the V8 but enhances it. Number 2. Revised internal architecture. Engineers are said to be moving away from the traditional modular design of the Coyote toward a more compact, thermally efficient layout. Rumored changes include redesigned cylinder heads for better airflow, higher compression ratios, advanced cooling channels, and reduced internal friction. 3. Electrified valve train possibilities. One of the most intriguing rumors involves camless or semi-camless valve control, similar to what companies like Koenigsegg have explored. If true, this would allow perfect valve timing at all RPMs, increased power and efficiency, and lower emissions without sacrificing performance. 4. Lightweight materials. To offset hybrid components, Ford may use aluminum-lithium alloys, composite engine components, and lighter rotating assemblies. The goal is to maintain Mustang's performance edge despite added complexity. Why Ford might be killing the Coyote? Let's be blunt. This isn't about innovation for fun. It's about survival. Emissions regulations are tightening globally. By 2027, stricter emissions standards in North America, Europe, and China will make traditional naturally aspirated engines increasingly difficult to justify. Experts in automotive engineering point out that large displacement NA engines face diminishing returns when it comes to emissions compliance without electrification. In other words, the Coyote in its current form simply may not pass future regulations. Fuel economy pressures. Even performance cars are now expected to meet efficiency targets. A hybrid-assisted V8 could improve city fuel economy significantly, reduce fleet-wide emissions averages, and allow Ford to continue selling V8 Mustangs without heavy penalties. Competition is evolving. The Mustang is no longer competing only with traditional muscle cars. It's now facing hybrid sports cars, high-performance EVs, and turbocharged European rivals. To stay relevant, Ford needs more than nostalgia. It needs cutting-edge engineering. Expert insight. This isn't the end. It's a transformation. Many enthusiasts hear new engine and immediately assume the worst. But industry experts suggest a different perspective. The Coyote isn't dying, it's evolving. Powertrain analysts argue that Ford is unlikely to completely abandon what made the Coyote successful. Instead, they're building on its foundation. Think of it like this. The displacement may stay at 5.0. The V8 layout will likely remain. The sound and character will be preserved, but everything else is fair game. Hybrid V8s are the future of performance. Look at what's happening across the industry. Ferrari is electrifying its V8s. Lamborghini is moving to hybrid V12s. Even American brands are experimenting with electrification. The takeaway is clear. Performance isn't going electric. It's going hybrid first. What this means for Mustang fans, this is where things get emotional. The fear, losing the raw experience. Enthusiasts worry about artificial sound enhancement, added weight from hybrid systems, and reduced mechanical simplicity. These are valid concerns. The Mustang's appeal has always been its raw analog feel. The reality, performance will likely improve. If the leaks are accurate, the 2027 Mustang GT could deliver 600-plus horsepower combined output, instant torque from electric assist, faster acceleration than ever before, and better fuel economy. That's not a downgrade. It's a massive leap forward. The trade-off, complexity versus capability. Here's the honest truth experts agree on. The future of performance will be more complex, but also more capable. Is this still a real Mustang? This question comes up every time Ford makes a major change, whether it was independent rear suspension, turbocharged EcoBoost engines, or even the Mach-E. The answer depends on what you believe defines a Mustang. If it's about tradition, front-engine layout, rear-wheel drive, V8 power, then yes, it's still a Mustang. If it's about simplicity, that's where things change. The bigger picture, the last era of pure V8s. This leak also signals something larger than just one car. We may be witnessing the final transition phase of internal combustion performance. The timeline looks like this: 2025 to 2030, hybrid performance dominance; 2030 to 2035, rapid EV adoption; beyond 2035, limited ICE production. In that context, the 2027 Mustang GT could represent the last generation where a V8 still plays the starring role. What happens to the current Coyote? If Ford does replace it, the existing Coyote engine won't disappear overnight. Expect continued use in special editions, strong aftermarket support for years, and high resale value for last pure V8 models. In fact, experts predict that pre-2027 Mustangs could become highly collectible, especially untouched examples. Final verdict: end of the Coyote or its greatest evolution? Let's cut through the noise. No, this isn't the death of the Coyote in spirit, but yes, it likely marks the end of the Coyote as we know it today. The 2027 Mustang GT appears to be heading toward a future where V8 power remains, electrification enhances performance, and engineering replaces simplicity. It's not about abandoning tradition, it's about adapting it. The bottom line, Ford is facing an impossible challenge. Keep the Mustang legendary while making it future-proof. The rumored all-new 5.0-liter engine is their answer, almost certainly. And in a world rapidly moving toward electrification, that might be exactly what the Mustang needs to survive.